Welcome everyone. It's day 27. I'm going to tell you your daily challenge for the day, and our theme is soothe. So this is really the intention that we're working with. This is going to be a journaling exercise today to soothe and to heal and to connect with that energy. I want you to write a letter to your 5-year-old self. So I want you to think about who you were as a 5-year-old, what you needed to hear, and to be that person who tells that little boy or that little girl what they needed to hear. What are you proud of? What do you love? What do you treasure? What are your hopes and your fears, your dreams and your wishes for your 5-year-old self? This is another great journaling exercise that can be done as a stream of consciousness exercise, which means you're setting a timer, maybe 3 to 5 minutes, just putting pen to paper and not lifting the pen until the time is up. Just pour out to this 5-year-old version of you. What comes to mind when you think of yourself at that age? What are you proud of? What are you scared of? Whatever comes to mind, just write it out. You don't have to do it as a stream of consciousness. It can be more of a well thought out letter. It might be a poem. It can be anything that you'd like it to be, however you find it easiest and best to express yourself. I just want you to go back and give some love to that tiny little version of you, that we still carry within us at all times. Connecting to this inner child is such a powerful and important practice to do, and writing a letter is a very simple way that we can do that. So have fun with it, enjoy, and we'll connect again tomorrow.